Hello, boss. Where's the owner?
Huh?
Is the owner in?
What?
Owner.
He's not in.
When he's coming back?
Tomorrow. Try tomorrow. Maybe
Okay.
afternoon.
Try? Oh, he will be back.
Yeah.
Okay. Beginning of December. I called him from Germany. Okay. With the message that he repaired my computer. Doesn't work again. Okay. Okay. So I did repair. This is the fan for the processor. Okay, and
This is what?
this is the rubbish. Did block the vent, the fan for the processor.
Let me see.
Okay. Why didn't work?
Where's the
Okay.
rubbish? This one?
Yeah.
That broken thing?
Yeah, something piece of the plastic was the rubbish left in the fan. Okay.
Okay.
So I let him know. I didn't know. I did repair this 2 weeks ago. I asked him prepare 80 quid. Okay. The choice is 80 pounds or 150 multiply 3 because my waste time. Okay.
No, but do
Sir,
you think
sir,
we left
sir,
it in there?
Sir, let him know. That's it. To get ready 80 quid and it's fine, finished.
No, 80 quid for what?
To get the money back for
what?
repairing, how to say, the cooling. He did the job because the processor.
He did the job.
Yeah, because the processor.
When did he do it?
End of November. Okay,
I did it or he?
I don't know. Doesn't matter. Who? Okay. I called him from Germany. He should remember. I let him know. Prepare 80 quid. I need the money back because I paid the same money to another
that's
man.
right.
That's
No,
it. That's
fair
it.
enough.
That's it. Because
But
I asked 3 things. 3 things failed. Okay. I'm not asking to replace again the keyboard. I'm not asking to put back the old disk drive. Okay. I'm asking for this.
no.
Let him know.
When did he repair in November?
Thank you.
You repaired in
November.
Okay. What was the problem? I mean, the processor was dusty?
The computer did stop because problem of cooling probably.
All right, yes.
He described me this.
Okay.
The other guy confirmed.
Uh-huh.
That's it.
No, but...
Let him know.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
Finished. Okay. When he's coming, if he will be not here, let him give you the money.
Give you
No number. Let him give my money to you.
I'll ask him, okay.
Okay. So the only choice is 80 quid or 450 to charge him for my wasting time. For my time I did waste. Okay. Because
why can't you leave your number? He'll have a word with you.
it's nothing to talk. It's nothing to talk. Nothing to again, we can talk 450 or 440 or 430. This is if he wants to keep this level of money to give me back. Not 80 quid.
No,
Thank you very much.
Okay,
Keep this money ready.
I'll ask him.
Okay?
Ask him.
Because I say,
Hello?
I'll show you something later on.
Gigi?
Yeah.
Oh, Gigi,
Thank you.
He's done something wrong. We want him to fix it. We'll give him money back.